Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda Shadow Spirit. Beautiful satin black, lots of chrome, engine guards, 750cc V-twin, liquid cooled. We are putting two brand new tires on this gorgeous Shadow Spirit. Make your cruiser dreams come true for just $29.99. This bike will not last the weekend. Don't wait. Come on down and make it happen. Beautiful Honda Shadow 750, only $29.99. Come by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.